Alright, here we are still working on isometric problems, and here I will be showing you how you can construct this, how you can produce the isometric view of this object. And actually, the book I'm holding is Engineering Drawing 1, Pick Up and Packer, and I'm on page 166. And here we have these orthographic views. They are given in third angle projection. It means that for this object that I said I want to produce its isometric view, that means we have this to the front elevation, and this is the plan or the top view, and this is the front view. Okay. As I said, we want to produce the isometric view of this object, and looking at what we have here, let's talk about the dimensions. So we have in the front elevation, distance from here to here is 12 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 50 millimeters, and then for this distance from here to here is 25 millimeters, and the height of this is 60 millimeters. And if you look at what we have here, this is an hexagonal prism placed on this body. Okay, then coming to the plan here we have that for this hexagon that we have here, the distance across flat is 60 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 100 millimeters. So for this base, as we have here, we have two slots as it is written here. There are two slots, and distance from here to here is 50 millimeters. So that means we have something like this. We have one on this side and we have one on this side. As you can see here, it is hidden here. So first of all, the first thing I'm going to do is to produce the base. And the base is in form of a square. So I will produce that and you will see it right now. So let's work on that. So the first thing that you need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this, and we take our set square. Okay, so we take our set square. So put at this point. So we draw this line in this direction. Okay, and then so we turn it to this side. So we draw this in this direction like this. Okay, so as we have done now, so looking at what we have here, so we are told that this is point A here. Point A is here. So if point A is here, so if point A is here, so this is point A here now. Point A is here. So if point A is here, that means I have to take a measurement of 100 millimeters. A measurement of 100 millimeters at this point. So this is 100 millimeters. And I also have to take 100 millimeters on this side, because this is a square. Okay, so I will take 100 millimeters on this side. So this is 100 here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line, just a short vertical line at this point like this. And as we have here, so in the drawing, the distance from here to here is 25 millimeters. So here I will take a measurement of 25 millimeters here. So this is 25 millimeters here. So here I will draw this line. Here also I will draw a vertical line here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So a vertical line here, and I will come here also. I will draw a vertical line. So here I will transfer this to this side. So transfer this to this side, and this also will be transferred. So this will be transferred to this side, and then so here I will draw this. So take this to this side, and here I will transfer this to the other side. So this is it. Okay, now we are not done with the base. Because we are told that we have slots here. So we have a slot on this side. And so we are told that we have two slots. So that means we also have it on this side. So that slot, so since distance from here to here is 100 millimeters, so I will get the midpoint. I need to get the midpoint of the whole of the body, so that means I will divide 100 by 2, that is 50. So here I have 50 here, and I will take 25 from here. So from here I will take 25 to this side, as the length of the slot is 50 millimeters. I will take 25 to this side. Here I will come here also and get the midpoint of this. So this is 50 millimeters. I will take 25 to the left side, to the right side, and 25 to the left side. Okay, so with what I've done here, so let's locate the center first. So the center is very, very important. So I will take the center, draw the center with short dashes line. I will also come here and do the same thing here. So I will transfer this to the other end like this. I will also transfer this to the other end. Alright, so I've located the center. So the next thing I need to do here to get the slot drawn. So here I will draw a vertical line. So here also I will draw a vertical line here. So here I will also draw a vertical line at this point. And here also I will draw a vertical line at this point. So what is then at this point, I will draw a line in this direction, and here also I will draw a line in this direction to this side. Okay, so with what I've done here, so what is the height or the distance from here to here? So distance from here to here is 12, as we are told there. So I will take a measurement of 12 millimeters on this line. So this is 12 millimeters here. So here I will transfer this to this side like this. So transfer this to this side, and here also I will transfer it to this side like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have the base in place, so we have the slot in place. So okay, so let's leave it for now. So the next thing that we are going to do is to produce the prism that is placed here. You have to produce the prism. So to produce the prism, as we are told that we are given distance across flat. So distance across flat is 50 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is that I will need to construct. So I will come here. Here I'm going to use this part. So for you to be able to see what I want to do here, so I need to construct an hexagon using the distance across flat. I've done a video on that, so all you need to do is to watch the video. But if you have not watched the video, I'm going to do it here for you to understand. So I will draw a horizontal line here like this. So with this horizontal line that I've drawn, okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take my compass and draw a circle here. All right, so here I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters as the radius. As the radius is distance across flat, as we are told here, the distance across flat is 60 millimeters. So I just take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So as I've taken it here now, this is 30 millimeters. So I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, and I will draw a circle like this. Okay, so I will draw this circle. So with this circle that I've drawn, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will come to this point here. So it is distance across flat that we are given. So we construct in this form. So you draw horizontal line at this point. That's the tangent to the circle. So you also draw horizontal line at this point like this. So then you take your set square. So set it at this point. Set it like this. So you set like this, and you draw a tangent to this part here like this, and also so you set, okay, so bring it to this point like this. So bring it here, and you draw a tangent to this like this. Then so if I set it like this, okay, set it like this, so I will draw a tangent to this point like this, and then so bringing it here, so bringing it here like this. So I also draw a tangent to this. Okay, so I draw like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so all I need to do, I will make this thick. So make this a thick line from here to here. So I also make this a thick line from here to here. So I made this a thick line from here to here. Make this a thick line from here to here. So this will also be a thick line. And this will also be made a thick line for the hexagon to come out, for us to be able to see the hexagon. So this is it. So we are drawing the hexagon. So the distance from here to here, by drawing a line from here to here, so distance from here to here is known as distance across flat. I believe you understand that. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do here is that okay, so here I will draw. Okay, just I can use one part, so because I don't want the line to cross this object, I can just use one part of it. So I will draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line here. I draw a vertical line here, and I don't want it to cross this, so I can make use of this part alone. So what I want to do is that if I draw around this, I'm going to get something like that would be a square. Yeah, that would be a square, to give me a square. That's what I want to get here. But before that, so let me label this. So if this is point, this is A, or let me draw it. So let me draw it. If it crosses it, I'm doing it with thin continuous line with my red pen. So if it crosses it, I don't really need it. So I draw this like this, and I will draw this horizontal. Okay, so this is point A and this is point B here. This is point B, so don't mind that. So this is point C here, and this is point D. So here I will label this as what this is. If this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, so what I need here, okay, so what I need here, so I will need to connect these corners. I need to connect these corners. So connect this like this. So I will also connect these corners like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so I will take this distance from here to here, or from A to the center. From A to the center here, I will take this distance like this. So I'll put it here in the center here. Now I make an arc here. Now I make an arc here like this. For this, I'll put at this point and extend it to this point here like this. So I make an arc here and here like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, I will form the shape. This is not a square. I found that it's not a square. It's not a square. So I will draw this here like this and bring it here. I will draw this like this, and then I will turn it here and I will draw. Okay, so coming here also, I will draw it here like this. Okay, so with what we have here, so looking at what we have here, so looking at what we have here, so this is point A, is point A, and this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. So we need to locate the numberings. Okay, so so looking at what I have here, this is 0.5 here, and this is 0.2. This is 0.2. So we need to locate other points. So to locate 0.4, so I only need to take one. So to locate other points, I'll just take one here. So I put at this point and make an arc here like this. So put it at this point here, and make an arc here, and I put at point C here, make an arc here, and I put at point G here, and make an arc. So looking at what we have here, this is point 4, and this is, here is, so this is point 4, and sorry, okay, I'm supposed to do this here. So this is point 3, this is point 3, so here is point 3. So okay, so this is point 1, okay, and this is, okay, I'm supposed to put 6 here, I put it here, so this is point 6. Okay, so all right, so we have all the points in place. So first of all, I first join this together. So I will connect this together with this, and okay, so this goes together with this. Okay, so this goes together with this, and this goes together with this. So looking at what we have here, so I only need a little part of, because it's an isometric object, I'm not going to see everything. So I'm going to make this line will be a thick line from here to here. This will be a thick line, and this will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, and this will also be a thick line. So this will be a thick line from here to here, and this is going to be hidden. I can't see this one, I can't see this. This will be hidden. Let me show it so that we know you see it. And this will also be hidden. And then the next thing that we need to do is that, so for us to produce the complete hexagonal prism on top of this base, so we need to transfer this goes up, and this point you draw this goes up like this, and then so you come to this point, so you also draw a vertical line here like this. So and then we take a measurement of 60 millimeters. If I take 60 millimeters from here, it's going to enter this thing probably. Okay, so this is 60 millimeters. So I believe you can see what I'm doing, so don't mind my paper. Okay, so now I'll transfer this to this side, and this. Okay, so this will also be transferred to this side like this, and I will need to draw this to this side. Okay, I think okay, so this goes to this side from here, and then I will draw this to this side like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so what I need to do is to transfer this point to here. This point I'll transfer it here, this I'll transfer it here. So this is it. So this point, so here I will draw a vertical line from here. So let me make it bold so that we can see what we want to do. So here also I will transfer from here. Okay, so we can see what we are doing now. Okay, so here we have this point 4. This is point 4 here, and this is point 3 here. Then we take point 2. So point 2 goes up like this. So this is point 2. So this is point 2, and here we transfer point 1. So this is point 1 here. So here is point 1, and here we also transfer point 6 to this point here. So here is point 6. So this is point 6, and also point 5. So it goes on this line. So here is 0.5 here. So this is 0.5. So all the points have been obtained. So the next thing that we need to do is to join them together. So all I need to do, I will join 4, 5 together. So 4, 5. This is 4, 5. I will join 3, 5 together, 3, 4 together, 3, 4 together like this. So don't forget that we are going to see the upper hexagon. So we are going to see everything about it. So now we join 2, 1, 2 together like this. Then I will join 1, 6 together like this. Then I will join 5, 6 together to see the upper hexagon. So this is it. I believe you can see it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will connect 0.6 to 6 together. That will be a thick line. I can see this line like this. And I will connect 5 to 5 together. I can see this line is a thick line. And I will also connect 4 to 4 together. It's also a thick line. I can see this line. And I will connect 3 to 3 together. It's a thick line also. So there is it. But this will be hidden. So I will draw it with short dashes line like this. Okay, so this is also hidden. So there is it. So I believe you can see what I've done here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out this the shape of the base. So I made this a thick line from here to here, and also this is also a thick line from here to here, and also so from here to here is a thick line, and from here to here is also a thick line. Okay, then and for this part from here to here is a thick line, and from here to here is a thick line. So this line is not okay. This line is not okay. So I just see it now. So okay. So then from here to here. So from here to here is a thick line. Okay, and then from here to here it's also a thick line from here to here. All right, so here also I made this a thick line. This is a thick line. From here to here is a thick line. From here to here is a thick line, and this is also a thick line from here to here, and from here to here is a thick line. This is also a thick line from here to here, and this is also a thick line from here to here. So this line will be drawn thick. Okay, this line also is a thick line, so to show that it's a slot. Okay, and then so I will draw from here. From here to here is a thick line, and this also goes like this. Okay, so looking at what we have done here, the object has come out, and this is how it will look. Don't mind this ones here. So this is the object. So we have this base, and we place an hexagonal prism on it. It's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice, and when you practice, you will surely master it. Don't forget, keep on practicing, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. God bless you.